Hello, students. As you all are welcome to our online classes, it's really nice to teach you all. Hope you all are fine and healthy. Student, as you all know, today we are going to start a new chapter from a new course book. As you all are fond of eating various type of recipes, and you all must have tried various types of tasty recipes during lockdown, and you all know that the nutrition in food gives the body cells the energy and other substances. And what is digestion? You all know digestion is the process of breaking down the food and into smaller molecules like carbohydrates, proteins, fats, and vitamins. Whatever you eat, these are being distributed in the form of carbohydrates, proteins, fats, and vitamins. Digestion is how your body turns food you eat into nutrition. It uses for energy and growth. Now, today we will read the chapter Food and Digestion. Follow your book. All living beings need food. It gives us energy for various activities that go on inside our body. We cannot do even a single movement without getting energy from the food. Look at the picture. The picture shows that Neha and her mother have gone to a departmental store. Can you name some of the food items which her mother has bought? Write the name of the food. See below the columns are given 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we will learn what are nutritions, functions of nutrition, digestion of food, healthy eating habits, cooking of food, preservation of food. These are the topics we are going to read in the chapter. Do you know what does food contain? Food contains different nutrition that provide nourishment to our body. Now come to next page. What are nutritions? Food contains different nutrition. Nutritions are substances that provide nourishment to our body. The main nutritions in the food are carbohydrates, fats, proteins, vitamins, and minerals. Let us learn about them one by one. We will read about carbohydrates. What are carbohydrates and from where we get carbohydrates? Carbohydrates are the main source of energy. These are called energy giving foods. People who do physical work need lots of carbohydrates. Carbohydrates we find in bread, rice, chapatis, honey, potatoes. These are energy giving foods. Now protein. What are protein? Proteins are nutrients that help our body to grow. They are needed by our body to build muscles and to repair the tissues. They are called body building foods. Protein is found in pulses, eggs, fish, cheese, milk. These fish, pulses, egg, milk, and these are the products which are rich in proteins. Now we will read. Did you know? Milk is rich in calcium and other minerals, vitamins, proteins, and has fat too. That's why milk is called a complete food. Now we will read about vitamins and minerals. Our body needs some food for protecting us from diseases and keep us fit and healthy. Vitamins and minerals protect our body from various diseases. Our body needs vitamins and minerals only in small quantity, but these are very important for the body to stay fit and healthy. Some of the vitamins that our body needs are vitamin A, vitamin B, C, vitamin D, vitamin E, and vitamin K. Some of the important minerals are calcium, iron, sodium, and iodine. Fruits and vegetables are rich in minerals. They are also called protective foods. As you all know, for the recovery of a sickness, we use large amount of vitamins and minerals from to protect our body from various diseases. Bodies needed vitamins and minerals. Now we will read about roughage and water. What are roughage? Roughage are food items from plants that contain fiber. We cannot digest roughage. It cannot be digested, but it helps our body to get rid of the undigested food. Roughage main function is to keep away the body from the undigested food. We get roughage from leafy vegetables like salads, cereals, and fruits. And as everyone knows, water is a very important part of our diet. Our body needs it for all its functions. Water helps us to digest our food and helps in excretion. It also regulates our body. It also regulates our body temperature. Most foods contain water. Three-fourths of our body weight is water. We should drink at least 8 to 10 glass of water every day. Now we'll come to junk food. Some food stuffs, although tasty, are unhealthy for us. They are called junk food. Junk food are those food which are good in taste but are not health healthy but not healthy for our body. They contain too much fat and sugar, so we should avoid junk food. Junk foods like pizzas, burger, fries, chips are some junk food. Eating a lot of junk food leads to obesity. You all know what is balanced diet. Balanced diet, the food that we eat every day, is called our diet. Whatever we take in a lunch time or dinner time, that is called diet. The diet that contains the right amount of all the nutrition like roughage and water required for good health is called a balanced diet. When we eat each and everything equal portion, that thing is called as balanced diet. A balanced diet is important for proper growth and development. Digestion of food. The food that we eat is not directly accepted by the body to produce energy. Food is broken down into simpler form. As you all know that whatever we eat, it doesn't work like this only. First, food is directly go to our stomach and broken down into a simpler form. Then that thing produces energy. The process of breaking down of food into simpler form is called digestion. Digested food is absorbed by the blood and taken to all the parts of the body. And that digested food is very helpful for the body because from that blood is being absorbed. We have a well developed digestive system made up of many organs. All organs help in the digestion of food. Now, student, we will read about the process of digestion. The process of digestion starts as soon as we take food in our mouth. Our teeth bite and chew the food and break it into small pieces. As you all know that the food we eat is being chewed by our teeth. As we chew, the saliva in our mouth mixes with the food. Saliva converts the insoluble starch in food into soluble sugar. That is why bread and rice taste sweet after we chew them. From the mouth, the food passes through the food pipe into the stomach. The stomach is a sac-like organ where food is being broken down. The digestive juice in the stomach break down the proteins present in the food into a simpler form. You will know that the digestive juice in the stomach which is already present, this break down all the protein which are present in food into a simpler form, in a mini form. From the stomach, the food is pushed into a long coiled tube called the small intestine. The inside walls of the small intestine also produces a juice that mixes with the food. The liver and the pancreas also pour their juice into the small intestine. This juice helps to completely digest the food. This way, the long process complete in a digestive system. The digested food is almost like a thin paste. The blood vessels present in the small intestine absorb the digested food and carry it to the parts of the body. The undigested food goes into the large intestine. The blood vessel in the walls of the large intestine absorb the extra water. The semi-solid waste forms feces that is thrown out of the body through the anus. See in the figure of digestive system, mouth, we will eat the food from mouth, then it will come to food pipe. Liver is being given, the stomach, then stomach, from then small intestine, and then the large intestine, and then anus. Now student, we will continue this chapter in a next class. So be ready and revise the chapter again and again. Have a good day.